Postnatal depression. This is a very less discussed topic. This is a type of mood disorder which affects the women after the child. Chala varaku misdiagnosed or untreated because of the stigma or silence. So, what are the symptoms of the PND, postnatal or postpartum depression? One, low mood, depression, fatigue, a change in the sleeping pattern or food, a kind of depression, difficulty bonding to the baby. In a very severe cases, self-harming or harm to the baby. What are the main causes for the postnatal depression? First thing, silence or stigma. Chala varaku మన ఇండియాలో still the mental health there is a stigma. They won't come out with their problems or anything. Silence on their problems. Second thing, social factors or any gender biased, like willing for the male child or willing for the female child. Definitely more towards the male child. Third is a joint family. Few cases joint family will be a lot of helping and supporting the new mother, but at the same time criticism కానివ్వండి, parenting లో differences కానివ్వండి, అండ్ జెండర్ బయాస్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ కానివ్వండి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ లో ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఫోర్త్ థింగ్, లెస్ స్టే ఇన్ ద హాస్పిటల్స్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎర్లీ డిశ్చార్జెస్. సమ్ టైమ్స్ దే మే బి undiagnosed.